What if GMC just built the truck that makes every other full-size pickup feel like it's playing catch-up? New 6th-generation V8 engines, over 60 inches of combined digital displays, hands-free towing capability, and factory 35-inch mud-terrain tires. That is the all-new 2027 GMC Sierra 1500, arriving at dealerships before the end of 2026. Welcome back to AutoPulse USA. Today we are breaking down the next-generation Sierra. Let's get into it. GMC calls this the truck all others will be measured against. The lineup includes Pro, Elevation, AT4, AT4X, Denali, and Denali Ultimate, each engineered for a specific customer with a specific lifestyle. And headlining all of it are two brand new 6th-generation small-block V8 engines that nobody else in this segment is offering right now. Outside, the 2027 Sierra arrives with a completely new exterior defined by machine precision forms and a more powerful stance. Signature headlamps and tail lamps now feature available welcome and farewell animations. The grille goes more vertical for a bolder face, and available quad exhaust outlets add muscle at the rear. The AT4X gets an exclusive hood design, a 2-inch suspension lift, and a more purposeful front fascia. New exterior colors include dark ridge metallic and coastal dune alongside returning favorites like sterling metallic, azurite blue metallic, and onyx black. Inside, every trim gets a completely redesigned cabin with exclusive colorways and premium materials. Available real wood trim accents run throughout, while the Denali Ultimate steps up to forged wood. An available panoramic sunroof brings natural light into the cabin, and the new multi-pro center console opens to create an extended work surface with easy USB port access. Best-in-class standard crew cab front head and leg room makes this Sierra genuinely comfortable for everyone. The Denali Ultimate cabin is where things get extraordinary. More than 60 inches of combined digital displays, the most in class, include a new 16.3-inch infotainment screen with class-exclusive articulation and hidden storage behind the display, an 11.5-inch front passenger screen with articulating cover, a 12.2-inch driver information center, a 15-inch multicolor head-up display, and an 8.5-inch rear camera mirror. The Bose Premium Series 16-speaker audio system adds class-exclusive front head restraint-mounted speakers tuned specifically for this cabin. This is a level of technology that luxury SUVs are still chasing. On powertrains, two all-new 6th-generation small-block V8 engines headline the lineup, a 5.7-liter and a 6.6-liter, both incorporating advances in combustion, cooling, and a new fuel injection system that optimizes power across daily driving, towing, and off-road use. The Denali Ultimate comes standard with the 6.6-liter V8, the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 in its class. An enhanced Turbomax delivers best-in-class standard torque, and a class-exclusive Duramax diesel rounds out the options for long-haul towing efficiency. Every engine pairs with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The AT4X is the off-road headline. Sierra first 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires come straight from the factory. New Multimatic Jounce control dampers manage high-speed off-road impacts while maintaining composure. Front and rear electronic locking differentials, a combination not offered by any competitor in this class, work with multiple drive modes for maximum traction on any surface. Inside the AT4X, a timber mahogany colorway with enhanced seat bolstering, a flat-bottom sports steering wheel, standard panoramic sunroof, and stainless steel door speaker grills make it feel refined on the drive home from the trail. On technology, the Denali Ultimate comes standard with a 3-year Super Cruise subscription covering hands-free driving across more than 600,000 miles of compatible roads, including when towing a trailer. No competitor in this class offers hands-free towing capability. Super Cruise also supports automatic lane change and turn signal-initiated lane change for genuinely relaxed long-distance driving. Full pricing is still to be announced ahead of the on-sale date. The 2027 GMC Sierra 1500 raises the bar for every truck in this segment. New V8 engines, a cabin that rivals luxury SUVs, factory 35-inch tires on the AT4X, hands-free towing on the Denali Ultimate, and bold new design throughout. GMC backed up the claim, "This is the truck all others will be measured against." Hit that like button, subscribe to AutoPulse USA for weekly reviews, and drop a comment, Denali Ultimate or AT4X? Until next time, see you in the next one.